Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am sharing the recipe of a very yummy cake, tres leches or 3 milk cake. Before moving on to a recipe, if you are new here or have not yet subscribed, please do like, share and subscribe. Also, please don't forget to press the bell icon button so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. So now let's move on to the preparation. First of all, we need to prepare a vanilla sponge cake. For that, I have taken a sieve. In that, adding half cup of all-purpose flour or maida, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now sieve well and keep aside. Now take a clean bowl, there should not be any water content in that. Adding 2 egg white and start beating on low speed. Beat until the egg white started fluffing up. I'm adding 1/4 cup of sugar. You can adjust sugar according to your taste. You can add up to half cup of sugar. And I'm adding little by little and beating well until the stiff peaks are formed. Now this is the consistency we need. While flipping the vessel, the sugar and egg mixture is not coming down. Now we'll add 2 egg yolks and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now adding 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use any refined oil. And adding flour mix. Don't add completely. Just add few maida mix. Now adding 4 tablespoons of evaporated milk, or you can add normal milk. Now I'm adding just 2 tablespoons, and after adding the flour mix, remaining 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk I'll be adding, and just give a mix. At this point you can even fold the maida mix or just give a beat just to mix everything together. And now adding remaining 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. Now our cake batter is ready. Now mix well using cut and fold method and bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes until the toothpick inserted comes clean. Just tap the pan for removing air bubbles and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. By the time we'll prepare the tres leches sauce, for that we need half cup of condensed milk, half cup of evaporated milk, and half cup of milk. Now mix all together well and keep aside. Now our cake is ready. Now using a fork or a skewer, prick the cake and soak the cake using the prepared sauce. Our cake is completely soaked in tres leches sauce. We need to pour at least 2 times the sauce. So again I'm going to soak the cake in tres leches sauce and then refrigerate for at least 1 hour. Here I have refrigerated overnight. The next day I am taking out from the fridge. Now our cake is completely soaked in tres leches sauce, and now I am going to decorate the cake. Here 1 cup of whipping cream I have taken and whipped it well. Here I am using Wilton 2D nozzle to decorate the cake. You can use any nozzle. For decorating the cake, I have used some edible dried roses and few strands of saffron. You can even use dry fruits. I hope you all like this recipe. If you like this recipe, please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. See you on next vlog. Until then, take care and bye-bye.